Gospelology, oh, Gospelology, 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 Gospelology, oh. Jesus turned water into wine. It's amazing. Jesus even healed the blind. It's amazing. How all the planets are aligned. How all chemicals are designed. Teaching the gospel with a scientific twist. All of his miracles are magnificent. Teaching the gospel with a scientific twist. All of his miracles are magnificent. Oh, Gospelology, Gospelology.
Hi, boys and girls. Today I have with me a mini scientist. Do you want to let the boys and girls know your name?
The magical scientist.
I have Maven, the magical scientist, with me today. And today we are going to make saliva. So today we have a solution of anthocyanin, which is a purple dye. It's a natural dye. Then we're going to prepare a dry reagent mixture, which will act as a source of carbon dioxide. Have you heard of that before? And then we're going to add some liquid soap, Maven, which will later cause a mixture. And then we're going to pour the solution into the dry mixture to initiate the saliva and cause a eruption. Okay, so are you going to help me today? All right, let's get started. Okay, can you grab the spoon? Okay, we're going to put some anthocyanin in there. Would you like to drop it in the spoon? Okay, which one you want to use? Okay, drop, drop. Be careful, drop, drop. Drop, drop. Okay, can we pour it in our cup here? We have a cup, you guys. Okay, put this one back here. All right, so next we are going to put 20 milliliters of water in our cup. 20. I'm going to take this. You remember how we did this? Put it to there, and then I'm going to drop it in the cup. All right, drop it in the cup. That's one. I'm going to do another one. All right, drop it in. And that's 20, boys and girls. We're going to take our stick. We're going to stir it on up. Stir, stir, stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, we're going to take our flask. I'm going to pour some liquid soap. Can you open that up? Isn't Maven doing a wonderful job, guys? Perfect. All right. We gotta be careful because we're gonna put a small hole. Just pour our soap in here. We're putting liquid soap in the flask, you guys. And isn't this fun?
Yes.
Maven likes it. Do you guys like this? All right. All right. So now we're going to pour in our mixture. Take our cup, Maven, and pour it in. Slowly. All right, Maven, so now we are going to move our flask so we can get our pan to collect our saliva and cause an eruption. All right, boys and girls, we are going to mix citric acid and sodium carbonate to our flask. All right, Maven, so we are going to mix citric acid and sodium carbonate, okay, in 2-hour flask. Let's first move the flask. Put away our extras. Take the water. I'm going to get a pan. Okay, boys and girls, let's see what we have. All right, let's have Maven pour. And we're going to pour together. What do we see? Oh, do you see what's happening here, Maven?
Yes.
Maven is magical, isn't she? Ooh, that looks a lot like saliva, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That reminds us of the story when God put made the mud and put it in the man's eyes. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Isn't that cool, boys and girls? I think it's cool.
Really cool.
All right, boys and girls, so this is why the saliva erupted. Our citric acid and sodium carbonate split into ions. Ions are positive and negative. They split into ions in the water we had at first. The molecules of the citric acid split into citrate anions and hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are positive. Citrate anions are negative. While the molecules of sodium carbonate split into carbonate anions and sodium cations. So what did we say anions were? Carbonate is negative and sodium cations are positive. One carbonate anion, negative, reacts with 2 hydrogen ions, positive. Maybe you get this? Are you getting it? I'm getting it. To form carbonic acid, you guys, which easily decomposes into water and a gaseous carbon dioxide.
Yes.
Right? Carbon dioxide is a gas. The latter fills the bubbles and makes the foam in the experiment. Isn't that so exciting?
Yes.
I think so. So that reaction between the acids and the carbonates can be very useful. For example, the same reaction in this experiment takes place when fizzing tablets dissolve, while the reaction between sodium hydrocarbonate, which is baking soda, and acetic acid, which is contained in vinegar. You like vinegar?
Yeah.
A little bit. And that makes dough and airy and baked goods like what? Donuts!
Donut.
I like donuts, do you? How about you guys?
Yeah.